Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? From Tunisia again, Mohamed Ali. So this video is part of week 5. It's about individual and collaborative work. Okay, must be ticked so that I've got 2 more activities to complete, so I'm trying to complete individual and teamwork activities. For our teamwork activities, I have to go back to week 4 to show our group. So week 4, yes, our team is team. So collaborative work, collaborative course design 2, that's our team, which is about traveling. Okay, this is our course, English for Travelers. Okay. So we've got created some topics and create, of course, the syllabus design. I'll go back to week 4 again to show you our syllabus. Okay. Here is our syllabus. Shared it. This is Beatrice. Okay, so this is our syllabus. Of course, syllabus English for Travelers. This is our logo. This is our logo. Okay, it's map of the world. It's pass, boarding pass, airplane. That's our motto. Okay. So let's go have a look at our syllabus. It's composed of 5 pages, abstract series of lessons which include vocabulary, grammar, and a set of listening comprehension. Okay, set of listening comprehension tasks related to the topic of traveling. Audience, who is this course for? Our targeted audience, pre-intermediate students A2 on the CECR. Duration of the course, 12 lessons, normally 6 weeks, but they can be more or less, it depends on our hard work. And objectives of the course, by the end of this session, participants will have boosted their vocabulary related to topic of traveling. So, objective 2 is that by the end of this session, or by the end of this course, which is a course, in fact, not session, travelers will have practiced using new vocabulary related to the topic of traveling. And the final, or the third objective, is that travelers will have learned to make up dialogues and solve the traveling problems. We go to the topic sections. So we've got we have 3 rubrics with the name of the topic, person who is willing to take part in this topic or to do this topic, and confirmed by the manager or not. Okay, so we've got 3 topics: travel agency, at the airport, at the railway bus station. For at the airport, Beatrice, our colleague Beatrice, our friend Beatrice, is in charge of this topic, and Jessica is in charge of the 3rd topic. At the hotel, that's Mohamed Ali. At the restaurant, so is Mohamed Ali, and we've got bookings over the phone, that's Lina, and traveling hassles, that's also Lina. Okay, and we're waiting for others to join in, of course. Okay, that's technology we are going to use in this course. Activities, video activities, video and audio resources accessible from PC. The moderates is the team group members. Okay, that's it. So this is our syllabus for English for travelers. We developed it during the 3rd and the 4th. Now we'll go back to activities and back to week 4. So that's our team, collaborative course design 2. That's English for travelers. This is our collective. This is our work, of course. This is topic 3 at the hotel. Okay, there are some sections. Get ready or warm up, listening comprehension check, and some practice activities. It's not finished yet. I'm working on that, and I'll finish it very soon. Okay, this is topic 1. I think our colleague Beatrice. No, this is topic 3. Our colleague Beatrice. Friend Beatrice, very nice work, as you see. She introduced the section and also the steps and how they proceeds with the different activities. There is warm-up section, there is check-in and listening. This is an audio file, output check, and then we have some other resources and some practice check-in, practice security check, practice immigration, role play, why do I like to travel, and at the airport, of course. This is the available activities that we have. Of course, the first thing to do is to go and turn editing on. Okay, so that you can edit, you can add even topics, or you can add activities. Here, add activities or resources. I'll just check something with you, add an activity or resource, and you can choose from these activities. You have different activities. Well, I think the easiest can have a hot pot activity, hot questions, hot pot activities, but this is, I think you have to prepare it on your desktop and then download it. Okay. Personally, I love the quiz activity because it gives you lots of options, and they are easy. In the quiz activities, we find true, false, matching, multiple choice questions, writing short answers, etc. And of course, we can add resources, books, files, folders, or labels. Okay. URL, post, whatever, pages, whatever. Okay, so not going to add anything for the right moment. So that's how we are working, really. Okay, I hope the voice quality is better in this video, because I always have problems with the voice quality. I'm trying to raise my voice. I hope you like it anyway. Personally, this course is so valuable. I learned something new, which is in fact what I'm doing now, how to create video tutorials with Screencast-O-Matic, and this is great. So thank you very much, Nelly Dutch. Thank you very much to all my colleagues and my collaborative team friends and team colleagues. You are great. You are doing a great job. That's very good. That's very nice. Thank you very much. And hope we meet for other courses and will be more collaborative. It's first experience, so collaboration was not really as wish it to be, maybe, but that's a very good experience, beneficial for certain. Thank you very much.